Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Woolmans Lavender Angustifolia Hidcote. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box are 40 standard plugs of the Woolmans Plants Lavender Angustifolia Hidcote. Let's go ahead and open it up, but of course cutting apart the packing tape that's keeping the box securely sealed, and sliding the contents out from the box packaging and checking through to make sure that everything from the box packaging has been emptied. We can set the box to the side, set it on the left hand side of the table, and there are some papers that come with the box packaging, so giving you a look at some of the information as well as, of course, the contents contained in the box packaging. So starting off, let's take a look at this flyer here with some information on how to care for your Lavender Angustifolia Hidcote. So setting that aside, and of course setting the paperwork. So of course taking a quick look here, there is of course an A4 sheet with some information and instructions, and of course customer service details for these plant plugs. And now moving on to the main item itself, which is the Lavender Angustifolia Hidcote. So you can see they are packaged in a clear plastic container. And just being careful here not to tip them over, and giving you a look all around as they are in this clear plastic shipping container. And now let's pop it open, and giving you a look inside. And of course you can see that they have been tossed around from being posted through the Royal Mail system, but nonetheless giving you a look at the 40 standard plant plugs, and then giving you a much further in look right there. You can see the condition of the plants. So that's the Woolmans Lavender Angustifolia Hidcote. Thanks for watching and happy growing!